Hey everyone, Ben from Buy It, Break It, Fix It. Merry Christmas! We got an unboxing today. Boom! There it is. 1/16 4x4 Slash brushed. Alright, let's get this unboxed. Okay, first things first, we need to add some stickers up here to the board. Steve O.D. RC Basher Boy. I have Highway 1 RC. Alright, so we put some new stickers on the sticker board. Steve O.D. right here, 313. RC Basher Boy. And Highway 1 RC. And then I don't know if Jamin put this up here when he was here. It's a little license plate and Jamin RC. Alright, here we go. Let's unbox this thing. Factory seal on it. This is the 1/16 Slash brush 4x4. Ready to run. It's pretty much the same platform as the E-Revo 1/16. Nice, nice. Got it all packed in here nicely. Let's get the pins off. Alright, here we go. This is it. We'll take this little tag off of here. This should come with a battery. And then we're gonna have to set our antenna up here. Let me just get this antenna down in here. There's just a little grub screw down here on the side of the receiver box. You just pop that grub screw out, put the antenna tube down in there, and then just screw the grub screw back down in. We will be doing some upgrades to this thing. It is, like I said, the E-Revo style suspension and shocks and all that. So let's look and see what's in the box or in the package. So we have a charger which plugs into your power outlet on your car, which nobody uses. There you have your 1200 milliamp NIM pack. That's the 7.2. Get your little bag of tools, Traxxas tools. A little baggie of your body clips. Some stickers, cool stickers, yeah, I like those, Fox stickers and all that. Traxxas stickers, we got a manual, and then the thing with the power up, and then just another manual, or the one's a parts breakdown, the one's a manual. This is just the TQ, the top qualifier. It doesn't have the TSM or anything on it, so just regular receiver. So let me get this battery charged up, and we'll get into doing a running video. Like I said, I'm not gonna do anything. This is just gonna be unboxing. This is what you get, and I guess I'll show you the body. We'll do a quick pick with the body on. 4-wheel parts. I think it's pretty cool. So just make sure you slide your antenna down into the hole here, and the body will pop right down on top there. Just like a regular Slash. And then you have your body clips that go on there. So, alright, let me get the battery charged up and we will get this baby outdoors and let's go running. I like it. I mean, we'll see. I like the little E-Revo. The little E-Revo does great. So, we are going to do some upgrades to this to make it a little bit better. And hopefully that will just help it out. And I'm sure at some point we'll go brushless with this thing. So. Tires are a little stiff, but that's okay. All right, let me charge this battery. I'll be right back. Andrew's driving the car today. So I'm filming. I'm gonna concentrate on filming. She's driving. She's also hiding behind me, so she's not going on camera today.
not to talk at all is my advice.
Uh-oh, walk of shame. Let's see who's driving. Walk of shame, walk of shame. The shame. All right, so I just put the 2-cell lipo in here. And, you know, of course it's gonna be a little bit peppier, so go ahead and just gun it. A little peppier than the NIM packs. Uh-oh, somebody's getting some skills. Watch out. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you the lipo pack too, so we're gonna finish these packs off and have a little bit of fun before it gets dark. There you go, 1/16 Traxxas Slash, brushed 4x4. Like I said, right now it has the 2S lipo in it. Andrea was running it on the 1200 milliamp NIM pack, so it's a really nice car. I do know that as I was running it here, after jostling it around and all that, watch your cables here for your wires, because they were rubbing on the wheel. So there you go. Like, share, and subscribe. Tomorrow, is it tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll be doing the X-Max drawing, so that'll, if you're getting in, get in now. It's hashtag buy it, break it, fix it. All right, everybody, Merry Christmas. Have a good evening, noon, night, whatever it is for you. Ben, out.